Today is Thursday, May 28th, 2026, and this is the Contested Logistics Analytic Watch. I'm Claw 6. 30 years in the logistics trenches teaches you that when the battle lines compress, your data architecture must adapt instantly. Today we address the move from simple inventory visibility to verified movement under pressure, and the total erasure of the line between combat C2 and theater sustainment. Section 1. The Global Pulse. Admiral Samuel Paparo's recent INDOPACOM posture statement laid down a hard marker for asset visibility. We are officially done relying on lagging manual reports or optimistic command dashboards. In a theater defined by long, over-ocean lines of communication, our supply chains must operate on real-time, sensor-derived movement truth to pace the threat. This is being executed on the ground right now. Forward-deployed units across remote Pacific Island chains are leveraging high-bandwidth telemaintenance pipelines. This lets our operators tap enterprise-level technical expertise right at the tactical edge, preventing faulty battlefield fabrication and conserving our highly constrained over-ocean lift. Supporting this push, Amentum has quadrupled its footprint in Honolulu, launching its Center for Contested Logistics to rapidly field threat-informed engineering solutions directly alongside the warfighter. Section 2. The Coalition Web. The software architecture is hitting its stride. The Marine Corps has announced it is partnering with the Navy's Project Overmatch for the upcoming Dynamis series sprint. This is an accelerator designed to scale open-source, dual-use software that can stitch together disparate sensors across every domain into a unified, secure data web. We are building a system where combat data and logistics tracking live on the exact same architecture. Across the Atlantic, NATO has dramatically restructured its Baltic Command. The German-Netherlands Corps is assuming a tactical headquarters role for Estonia and Latvia. This establishes a second major command hub dedicated to bringing in mass at speed, directly addressing the region's limited strategic depth. Concurrently, the European Union is hardening its military mobility corridors, turning dual-use ports and tunnels into active deterrence infrastructure. Section 3. Market Trends. The market is delivering mass through modular automation. The Defense Innovation Unit and the Army have officially launched the $30 million Rhodes Prize Challenge, standing for Robotic Operation for Autonomous Delivery and Sustainment. We are leveraging consumer-proven Level 4 driverless car technology to automate dispatch and logistics across our massive fleet of non-tactical vehicles. Familiarization with autonomy starts at home station. If soldiers can't leverage autonomous routing on post, they won't trust it in the theater. For the last tactical mile, DIU is also advancing its containerized autonomous drone delivery system, seeking tech to launch and refit multi-agent drone swarms straight out of standard shipping boxes. In the littorals, the autonomous low-profile vessel program continues its fast track, sourcing uncrewed craft to slip 18,000 pounds of cargo through denied waters. Section 4. Policy and the Toolbelt. Army Materiel Command leadership is formalizing the data-centric revolution. We are legally mandating the convergence of predictive analytics, telemaintenance, and industrial-based data into a singular, synchronized ecosystem. DLA's ongoing campaign of learning issues a stern warning to planners. Legacy sustainment methods are dead space in a peer fight. AI-enabled logistics fails completely if the input data is flawed. The new policy mandate is the widespread deployment of low-cost edge sensors, RFID, and mesh networks to replace manual reporting with unalterable automated readiness truth. Core reality check. In the legacy world, we treated logistics as an administrative spreadsheet that documented what we had stored. In the 2026 world, logistics is verified movement under fire. If your sustainment plan relies on a static warehouse or a manual status report, you have a plan for a theater that no longer exists. The winner in INDOPACOM, CENTCOM, and the Baltics will be the commander who can verify transit truth, tap remote engineering expertise, and deploy autonomous resupply swarms while the primary network is under attack. At the edge, software-defined autonomy is no longer a luxury, it is a survival requirement. Get out of the shadows, spread the word, like, and subscribe. This is Claw 6 signing off.